What's going on, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to make $50 a day just making 10-second videos? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $50 a day just making 10-second videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make videos that help entrepreneurs make money online, make money with apps, and make money on YouTube. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please give me a like if you like what I'm talking about today. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when a new video has dropped. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special offer that I'm going to give away to you guys today. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make $50 a day just by making 10-second videos. Let's go.
All right, I'm at this website called Max Bounty. And it says here, right now I'm at the affiliate link page, and it says here, promote high converting cost per action campaigns from hundreds of advertisers seeking your blogging, media buying, social media, and email marketing expertise. So basically, you're going to be advertising for brands, things that they're offering to consumers, and what they're going to do is pay you when a consumer fills out a form or sends their email, signs up with their email. So this is basically a lead. So as you get leads, you get paid for these leads. So they don't even have to buy anything yet, and you're going to be getting paid. So let's read some more on here. All right, so you're going to be creating campaigns, and I'm going to tell you how you're going to be able to advertise, where to advertise these campaigns. Let's see, it shows here. And also, this is international, so anybody from any country can participate, join this, be affiliate of this website. So I just wanted to give you a brief tour of this, give you some info about it. To learn more and become affiliate, go ahead and go to maxbounty.com, sign up, read some more information on it, see if you're interested in that. Now let me go to the next step you're going to take so you'll be able to make these 10-second videos and advertise these brands' offerings. I'm at this website you might be familiar with. It's called wave.video, and you're going to use their software to make the 10-second video. So here's a 10-second video right here you're going to be using. And for example, let's say one of the campaigns you're going to be doing from Max Bounty is about Walmart, and they're offering something if you sign up. If you sign up for maybe a gift card or something like that, or their actual Walmart card. So what you're going to do, let's just look at this video right quick. All right. So as you can see, you saw words pop up. So what you're going to do is change those words, and you could put the name of the company, which would be Walmart, and what they want you to campaign, what they want you to put in the campaign. You put it on this in this video. So if you put on there about anything about signing up to receive this offer, or put in your email. So that's what you'll put in the video, in the text, and just let it run through. And the way you're going to advertise it, you're going to advertise it on Facebook. And you're going to advertise it on Facebook stories and Instagram stories. So you're going to first make one video, and you're going to go ahead and pay for 3 days. Maybe do like $2 and pay for 3 days and see how that campaign does. And then you'll make another video and do that for 3 days, and another video, do that for 3 days. All three of them going to have 3 different wording that you're going to use to try to attract consumers to click on the campaign. So, and once you find out which is the best one, you just go ahead and use that campaign and keep running it. So when they click on the campaign or click to want to sign up, you're going to get paid every time they sign up or put in their email. So this is software you're going to use. So if you had any more questions about this technique, make sure you leave a question down in the comment below.
So now you know the method you can use right now that will make you $50 a day just by making 10-second videos. So go ahead and sign up for maxbounty.com and use that software, wave.video, and start making those 10-second videos, and use that strategy for us using Facebook ads, and watch that money start rolling in. Now, that's all I have for today. And for you guys that watched this video to this point, I want to go ahead and tell you about the free offer that I want to give you guys today. Now, all you have to do to get this free offer is go to my website, which is called App Grind Substation. Once you go there, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see 3 ebooks. Yes, I'm not giving away 1 ebook, not 2 ebooks, but 3 ebooks. Now, these ebooks cover affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, and making money on YouTube. So these 3 ebooks you can download for free. Just go ahead and download those right now, and make sure you subscribe first before you get these ebooks. That's the only way you can get these free ebooks. You got to subscribe. So what you're going to do is click on the link below, which again is called App Grind Substation. These free ebooks are free for you to download from me to you. Now, you're probably wondering about this message that you see at the bottom of the screen. And yes, I need you guys' help. I need you guys to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently at 245. So what I'm doing is giving away free money. I'm gonna give away free money when I reach my next milestone on my journey as I try to reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna go ahead at 300 subscribers, give away $20 cold hard cash or a $20 Amazon gift card. And how I'm going to do that is randomly pick a comment in the bottom of this video and all my other videos leading up to 300 subscribers. So I'm going to randomly pick that comment and reward that person with the money or the gift card. And another thing what I'm also going to do is randomly pick a person and shout out their name in that video. So if you have a small YouTube channel just starting out and you're trying to get more views, I'm gonna go ahead and help you out by shouting out your name in that video once I reach 300 subscribers. So I'm giving 2 lucky people to get, one to get money or an Amazon gift card, and the other one I'm gonna choose his name in the comments or her name and shout them out in my video. So please drop a comment so I can give away this free money. Now, that's all I have for today. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Please share this with your friends and family, and share this on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Now, I'm done with this video, but hey, you don't have to leave just yet. You can watch one of my recommended videos or my recent video, and you can go watch that right now, right after you hear this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Oh great, I see you guys still here. You can watch this video over here or that video over there right now.